Now we'll take a look at using GPTDash to write sales letters. So we'll click the Write Sales Letter button, and you can see we have some options here. We can choose a long form sales letter, a short form sales letter, or some individual components of a sales letter. So let's start with the long form and just go for the full thing. So product name, we're going to use How to Catch Trout in the Streams of Colorado. It's a video course, the niche audience, and as you can see, my browser actually has saved these. So if you have used any of the other content creators within GPTDash and your browser saves form input, that's actually a shortcut. You can very easily just click and select your previously used content. Deadline, let's see, there we go. Pain points, wasting time trying to catch trout. And let's see. Once again, my name is Bob Smith. We'll give it a little bit of additional information. Press here to generate sales copy. And here it is. We can copy it to the clipboard, download it as a text file, modify it if we want to. It says, are you tired of spending hours in Colorado streams without catching any trout? Do you feel like you're fishing in the wrong places? Are you looking for a way to improve your fly fishing techniques and finally catch some fish? Look no further, because Bob Smith's video course, How to Catch Trout in the Streams of Colorado, is here to help. You know, I'm going to go ahead and actually download that text file. I may want to use that later on. So we'll go back now and take a look at the next option, which is the short form sales letter. And I'm just going to use all of the same options that we just used a minute ago. So this should only take a couple of moments to put in this information because my browser basically saved it. And generate the sales copy. And I'm using that all the same variables so that you can see that the AI will actually create something new and unique. It's not going to spit out the same thing each time. And here we go. Attention anglers. So as you recall, the previous one did not start with that headline. This one starts with attention anglers, tired of wasting time and coming home empty-handed. So again, it's completely different wording, different phrasing. Discover the secrets to catching trout in the streams of Colorado with my 10-step video course. So again, you can see this is written completely different, even though we put in exactly the same info. And then this is a shorter format, and it has some nice bullet points here. So very nice output on that one as well. So you can also create individual components of a sales letter, such as headlines. So let's try my product name once again, How to Catch Trout in the Streams of Colorado. It is a video course. And once again, my niche audience is anglers who want to catch trout in Colorado. Let's generate some headlines. And here we go. It actually gave me 10 headlines. Master the art of trout fishing in Colorado with our exclusive video course. Unlock the secret techniques to catching more trout in Colorado streams. Discover the top 10 trout fishing spots in Colorado with our video course. Become a trout fishing expert with our comprehensive video course. So it is using some great copywriting words here. I've been copywriting for like 20 years. I have made millions of dollars through the copywriting that I've done for products that I've sold online for myself and for other people. And so I know a lot about copywriting, and I can tell you this is writing some really good headlines for us. All right, let's go back and check out the next feature, which is subheadlines. So we'll use exactly the same input on this. Generate some subheadlines. And here we go with 10 great subheadlines, like discover proven techniques for catching trout in Colorado streams today. Learn from a pro angler and catch more trout in Colorado streams, more trout in Colorado streams than ever before. Get the edge you need to outfish your friends with this comprehensive trout fishing course. All right, next let's check out call to actions. Same product name, we'll go same type of product and the same audience, and generate. All right, let's see what it came up for us. Don't miss out on the ultimate guide to catching trout in Colorado streams. Get your hands on our video course today. Ready to become a trout catching pro? Enroll in our video course now. Elevate your angling game and learn the secrets to catching more trout than ever before. Join our video course today. Why wait to catch more trout? Sign up for our video course and start reeling them in today. Isn't that a great, I mean, how smart is that to use that as a call to action? Start reeling them in, right? So it's not just using your stereotypical calls to action from, any old sales page. It's actually customizing it for the niche. Well, that's the power of AI for you. Now let's check out the satisfaction guarantee generator. We'll use the same product name, the same type of product, and generate. And there we go. At How to Catch Trout in the Streams of Colorado, we are committed to providing you with the most comprehensive and effective video course for catching trout in the streams of Colorado. We guarantee that our course will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to become an expert trout fisherman. And it continues on, a great guarantee there. Next, let's check out the value builder. We'll go with the same product name, same type of product, same niche audience. All right, if you're an angler who wants to catch trout in Colorado, I have something that will blow your mind. My video course on how to catch trout in the streams of Colorado is a game changer. It's packed with invaluable insights that will take your fishing game to the next level. So it's just building value like crazy. Look at this. I believe so strongly in the value of this course that I'm offering it for 10 times less than its true worth. I know that once you start using the techniques and knowledge that you gain from this course, you'll see a return on your investment that far exceeds what you paid for it. So don't hesitate. Oh man, now see, this is where I start getting a little bit upset with the AI because it's so good, and I just know that it learned from all those sales letters that I wrote over the last 20 years. So it's not fair. I had to learn by trial and error, and you get to just take the best of all the copywriters in the world, and the AI is going to generate it for you. And now we have a money back guarantee generator. So we'll put in the product name, the type of product. Let's see, refund period. Let's just say your standard 30 days, and we'll generate it. All right, and as you can see, it created a customized money back guarantee, a 30-day guarantee for this specific product for this niche audience. And next we will take a look at the double guarantee generator. Same product, same type of product. We'll go 30 days again. And what do they get if they're not satisfied? Let's just say they get their money back and a free phone consultation with the author of the course. Let's generate that. So we are so confident that our video course, How to Catch Trout in the Streams of Colorado, will help you improve your fishing skills and catch more trout, that we offer a double guarantee. So there you go. It goes to tell you exactly what you will get if you are not happy with the product. So I'll tell you what, these sales letter tools alone are well worth more than the price of admission to GPTDash today. I mean, if you use this tool one time to generate one sales letter, you've gotten way more than your money's worth. I mean, think about how much it costs to outsource good copywriting. How much does it cost to outsource a sales letter to a good copywriter? Here, you can do it all day long, as much as you want, in any niche, and you never have to hire a copywriter again.